My family celebrates Diwali. My family celebrates birthday party. My family celebrates Christmas. Welcome to our exhibition. Our project is Where in the World. We learned the story of Diwali came from India. We learned about mud huts. We learned about houses on stilts. We learned letters. We learned about houses. We know where animals live. Parties, families, food and light are all important for many celebrations all around the world. Welcome everyone! We've been learning about amazing Africa this term and we're so excited to share what we learnt with you. We're going to say our lines in the African show. We had an incredible workshop with the Ornament Museum where we explored African artifacts. We have been learning about white rhinos and we have learned that white rhinos are endangered. What in Africa is deserts like the Congo and mountains like Mount Tabor. We also made African masks and learned a song called Mambo Santa Mambo.
Come on, mums and dads.
The winter exhibition is important because we get to show our work that we've been doing. We've made some puppets and now we're there are some people who are being narrators and we're doing the story of the Monkey King. I can't wait to perform it to the adults, but I'm really nervous about it too. We've learned what they like to eat and what they wear and their religions. And at the winter exhibition we're going to be making and selling mooncakes, which are a traditional treat.
We've been learning about Aboriginal food and their culture, and we are also going to be able to show today all of our stuff that we've learned.
We're doing a speech, so we sit down and then obviously the face paint that I'm wearing right now, because they wear it when they're playing the didgeridoo. So what else we did was, clap sticks, we got to draw on them, and they're really cool, lots of patterns.
Today we made damper, and that's a food that Australians made. Instead of flour, they grind seeds. Our performance is us singing an Aboriginal song and performing to the parents.
We were learning how do they pay respect to their ancestors before they do lectures and stuff. And we also have learnt their types of art and how special it is to them and why.